Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds. And we're
Hello Yam Yam! Happy birthday sa aking pamangkin. Sana lumaki kang mabait, may takot sa Diyos, mapagmahal sa pamilya at sa mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo.
We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go. Our skin, it's a brand new day.
Happy birthday, anak! Masaya kami at nakaabot tayo ngayon sa first birthday mo and wish you more birthdays to come. Anak, isa lang yung gusto naming paglaki mo na lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at maging mapagmahal pala na anak sa amin ng iyong papi.
Happy birthday, Miriam. We wish you all the best in your life. Sana maging mabait na bata ka, lagi sumusunod sa magulang, at most of all, lagi tumatawad sa Panginoon. We love you, we'll always be there for you.
Hello! Happy birthday sa aking magandang apo. Thank you at nakauwi ka ngayon dito sa Pilipinas at dito may tinawas ang iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Apo Miriam. I love you. Nandito si Mami at si Daddy. Thank you at nakauwi ka dito ngayong birthday mo. At sana sa darating pang mga birthday, magsama-sama tayo.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds. We're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming now. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin.
Yam Yam! Happy birthday! Love na love ka ni Tita. Love you!
Sana kaaliwang ka ng iyong mga magulang. And then yung mama at papa mo, huwag mong paiiyakin, ha?
Will be the day, it all will change, but no one's in my way. Today will be the day.
Masaya, hindi namin in-expect na darating talaga siya agad-agad. Kala namin may matagalan mo.
Hindi ko namin in-expect na magiging ganito kasi yung buhay namin.
Masaya naman kami, pero iba yung mas masaya pala pag may anak-anak
Naging iba na yung outlook namin sa buhay.
sa buhay. Iba na yung goals, dreams.
This is the day. This is the day. The day will be the day. The day it all will change. No one's in my way.
Happy birthday sa mga naming apo. I love you.
Happy birthday,